Today we are at St. Charles Preparatory School. As we pan to our left here, this is Alum Creek Trail heading north, eventually connecting to Easton and beyond. Continuing to our left, this is their brand new bridge, which allows the students to park on the other side. There also is another building that they have built over there, which, as you can see as I work across here, that building is right there almost in front. I'm going to pan towards it here in a second. In addition, that is also a parking lot there with the retaining wall, which hopefully that retaining wall will keep that parking lot from going into the creek. And as we continue to pan to our left, we now will be heading south, which is Broad Street. You can see the bus right there. That actually is Broad Street. If you follow the trail south, you will go underneath Broad Street itself. Thanks for watching. Now get out and explore.